Ayan. Ang mother of the debut at naka-rubber shoes. Babato. Ano mo yung
Pagpa-deliver kang ganun kang marinday.
Atin na, sinabi ko na kayo.
Magdala kayo na itang
Huwag
maragol.
ang galhod.
Itong galawang. Ito pala eh.
Tara na.
Tol, wait na kayo na yun. Mag-prepare na yun.
Eh, video ba?
Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Sa mga ibang guest pa po natin, I am inviting you to please occupy the seats in front. At yung long table po dun sa taas, malapit sa dressing room ng ating lovely Davidson is reserved for the family members of Irish. Ito na ang pinagkahihintay natin. Kung na tayo ay angkop sa dilim. Puso hanggang sa dilim. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. You taught me how to love. Show me how tomorrow and today my life is different from the yesterday. You tell me to love, and I will always cherish you today and tomorrow. Alright, for the very last time, pakinggan ko nga yung isa ng malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Alright, this is the night that we are all been waiting for, the celebration of life, as our lovely Davidson celebrate her coming of age. And of course, this celebration would not be complete without you. So kaya naman, we are inviting you in behalf of all the family members of our lovely Davidson. We are inviting everybody to please sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of this celebration. This joyous and momentous celebration would not be complete without these amazing individuals who have been the great source of love, happiness, and inspiration of our lovely everything. Sabi nga nila,
Makakahanap at makakahanap ka ng maraming kapuso, pero iisa lamang ang iyong pamilya. Hence, family is always life's greatest blessing. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor that I present to you the family members of our lovely family. First on my knees, wala bang malakas na palakpakan sa kanyang uncle, we have Orlando de Jesus!
Let's go!
Joining us here this evening, wala bang mas malakas na palakpakan for her lola, Nenita de Jesus! Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, join me as I welcome one of her brothers. Give it up to Josh Lee! Approaching next, another brother of our lovely David. Let's make some noise for Clarence! And of course, ladies and gentlemen, hindi makukumpleto ang gabi ito if not for this a very determined, hard-working, loving, and very supportive mother. She is literally one call away. Ladies and gentlemen, the mother of our lovely Davidson, Miss Sherry Lee, together with her stepfather, Ronielo. Wala ba malakas na salam? Palakpak naman sa family members ng ating lovely Davidson. Over the years, we have been attending celebration like these, and surely one of our favorite parts is welcoming the debutant. I believe that she deserved the most bombastic, outstanding, standing ovation. Kaya naman, I am inviting everybody to please rise. Magsitayo po tayong lahat. Come on, everybody, please rise. Tonight calls for a grand celebration, celebrating her 18 amazing years. And from now on, there will be no fairy tales every night. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor that I present to you a woman with a face that can launch a 1,000 ships, the woman of the evening. We are gathered here to celebrate her coming of age. Wala bang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Iris!
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, wala bang malakas na